Understanding, make an appointment, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical and widely used phrase in English, make an appointment. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also equip you with the knowledge to schedule your activities more effectively. Let's get started and explore what it means to make an appointment and how you can use this phrase in your daily life. Making an appointment refers to the process of arranging a meeting with someone at a future date and time. This is done to ensure that both parties have agreed upon a specific time to meet, often for a particular purpose such as a business meeting, a medical consultation, or a service session. The phrase emphasizes the formal agreement between the parties about the meeting's timing and sometimes, its location and purpose. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, including but not limited to medical, scheduling a visit to a doctor or dentist, professional services, booking a session with a lawyer, accountant, or consultant, personal care, setting up a time for services like haircuts, spa treatments, or massages, business meetings, arranging a specific time to discuss work-related matters. In each of these situations, making an appointment ensures that the time is reserved for you, minimizing the risk of conflicts or waiting times. To make an appointment, you can use different communication methods, including phone calls, emails, online booking systems, or in-person requests. The key steps involve 1. Choosing a date and time that works for you and, if necessary, the other party. 2. Contacting the person or organization you wish to meet with to check their availability. 3. Confirming the appointment by agreeing on the date and time and often providing your name and contact information. 4. Marking your calendar to remember the appointment. Let's look at how to use make an appointment in sentences. I need to make an appointment with the dentist for a checkup. Can you make an appointment for me at the hair salon on Saturday? We should make an appointment to discuss the project details next week. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, make an appointment. Understanding how to schedule your time effectively is a valuable skill in both personal and professional life. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using this phrase the next time you need to arrange a meeting. See you in our next video, and happy learning!